Hello, welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a hot, sweet and sour pork tenderloin and pasta recipe. The main ingredients for this recipe are pork tenderloin, green peas, pasta, and carrot. And the other ingredients are shown on this photo. On the photo, the last ingredient is chili oil. I have a recipe to make chili oil in the cucumber salad video. I put a link in the description below. First step, we prepare the threaded pork tenderloins. We cut the pork tenderloin into thin slices. First, make sure we cut the meat along the grain. Then we cut the slices into thin strips. It's about 1/4 inch in thickness and 2 inches in the length. Next step, we marinate the pork tenderloin. Add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in salt. Add in sugar. Add in cooking wine. Add in cornstarch. Add in more cornstarch. Then stir to mix everything. Stir a little bit. Then we add in egg white. If it is a big egg, add in half of egg white. If it's a small egg, you can add in 1 egg white. Now stir again, mix everything well, then set it aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we cut green onion into small segments. Cut ginger into tiny threads. And press the garlic clove, then chop them into small pieces. Now, our green onion, ginger, and garlic are ready. Next, we slice the carrot into thin slices first. Then cut thin slices into small threads. Next step, we prepare sauce mix. Add in light soy sauce, superior mature vinegar, oyster sauce, sugar, cornstarch, and cold water. Stir, mix everything well, set it aside. Next step, prepare boiling water, then add in green peas, boiling about 30 seconds. Then add in carrots, boiling another 30 seconds. Then take everything out, put them into the plate. Next, to boil another new water in the Dutch oven. When the water is boiling, then add in the pasta. We need to use the low heat to boil the pasta. Cover it to boil about 10 minutes. During the boiling process, we need to open the cover and stir the pasta for a few times. Don't want them to stuck on the bottom. Now the pasta is well cooked. We take them out, put them in the plate. Next, heat the wok over medium heat. When it is hot enough, then add in about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Turn the oil. Then add in marinated the pork tenderloin. Stir. We use chopsticks as well as the wooden turner to separate the meat. Let them become individual strips. Stir until there's no red meat. Everything becomes white meat. Then it's well cooked. We take the meat out. Then we put back the wok. Add in about half tablespoon of oil. Then add in the ginger, stir fry. Add in the green onions, stir fry. When onion and the ginger are willowed, add in garlic. Stir fry everything a little bit. When they become a little brown, then add in the pork meat back to the wok. Then we add in chili oil. Stir everything in the wok. Then we add in the green pea and the carrots. Now we stir fry everything. Then add in the sauce mixed liquid. Then add in a little bit of water. Now we turn the heat to high heat. Stir fry everything about 30 seconds. Now everything is well cooked. We transfer the meat mixture onto the pasta plate. Wow, they looking so nice. Totally 2 plates. They can serve about 3 people. Now we start to eat our lunch. It tastes a little bit hot, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, and it's really delicious. Like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification. Then every time I have new recipe coming, you are notified. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.